Alrighty, welcome to Paola's kitchen. Today I was craving ramen because of this rainy day. So I remember that I had these. I bought them at Whole Foods and they're little, this one's millet and brown rice, and then this one is black, brown, and white rice. They come with little packets of seasoning, but I want to be extra and make it healthier and yummier and fresher. So I'm going to throw these packets out and I'm going to make my own broth with it and add vegetables. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to start off with some vegetable broth. It says here to add 2 cups of water per packet, so I'm just adding 4 cups of vegetable broth. Turning it on high. I like this Pacific brand because most of their ingredients are organic and they don't have a bunch of extra shit and sugars. So yeah, just gonna pour that. And I just went grocery shopping, and I don't go grocery shopping for things I want to make. It's just kind of like whatever I crave, and then I look in my kitchen and I'm like, what do I have and can I make it? So I'm cutting half an onion. I'm putting that in there, just little slices of onion. Give it some flavor. I'll throw that in there. And then I want to throw in there some garlic as well, which I know I have. Ooh, I have ginger too. See, this is how I cook. I come across things and I'm like, that is what I'm gonna get. So we have some garlic. So this will all give the broth extra flavor. I'll add 1 more clove. I love me some garlic, and garlic is also great for the immunity. Let's do some ginger. Also really good for the immunity. I'm just gonna peel this back with my peeled ginger, and I'll just cut it into little bitty cubes. Also, some mushrooms, which I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to let this boil and get some flavor and then take some of the onion out. But I'll probably do that. Let's do that. So I'm going to set this to boil. I'm also going to add some collagen peptides. Anywhere I can sneak this in. We'll just add a little bit of joint health, hair health, and also has a little bit of protein too, which, since I don't eat meat, I love sneaking it in. And I'll just mix that up. So while I let this boil and get some flavor, I am going to cut up the carrots that I will add to this broth, and then also cut up some broccoli florets to put in there for some added vegetables. Oh, and I forgot that to the broth, I also want to add some coconut aminos to boil in there to add even more flavor. So the coconut aminos is like a soy sauce. It's just like a healthier version of it, and it will add that Asian feel to the broth. This is what it looks like, liquid aminos, and I just put a little bit. A little goes a long way with this. It's very salty, so you don't need a lot. It's already smelling so good. I'll probably add a little bit more broth, just since I'm adding so many vegetables to it. See, this is how I cook. I don't really follow recipes. If I do, I always like change things around or add things or take things out. But, alright, so I'm gonna let that boil for a sec. Now we'll get to cutting the broccoli. And the broccoli I don't like to add until the very end, about at the same time as the noodles, because the noodles only cook for like 3 minutes and the broccoli boils really fast, and I don't like my broccoli to be too soft and mushy, so I add it at the very end. So there's that. I'm gonna add mushrooms to it too, so I'll cut these up into little pieces as well. Now that it's boiling, I'm probably just gonna take some of the big pieces of onion out and leave some of the other ones out, just a little bit. And now with it still boiling, I'm gonna add the mushrooms, because that'll give it some flavor too to the broth. And the carrots, because since the carrots are so hard, I do want them to soften a little bit, so that's one of the first things that goes in there vegetable wise. Like I said, the broccoli will go in last, just because it softens really fast. But so far so good. Might add a little bit more. And let's do just a little bit more liquid aminos. Piece of onion. Alright, so I'm probably gonna have that sit and boil for like about 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes I will start adding, without the packets, just the noodles in here and add the broccoli. So, hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, and we're starting now.
I'm gonna some seasoning to this too, just a little bit of Himalayan pink salt and pepper. Okay, so my timer went off, so now I'm gonna place the noodles into the broth. And this cooks for 4 minutes. So, hey Google, set a timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Starting now.
I will let this boil for 4 minutes. I like a medium. I'm gonna put it at a medium. And then maybe on like the last 2 minutes, I'll probably add the broccoli in here. Hey Google, how much is left on the timer?
T-minus 2 minutes and 7 seconds.
So, last 2 minutes. Broccoli time. I'm trying the broth. Well, there's like, I don't know, 2 minutes left? No, like probably, there we go. Hey Google, stop timer. That is very good. Oh my gosh. Just what I was craving. So, I'm going to pour mine out, move it to a low heat, and then keeps them in there so that I can add the egg for Shane, and we'll see how that goes. Turn up the heat to a boil. Here we go. Let's see. Drop it, and then they say boil for like 2 minutes. Alright. That actually looks pretty promising. I'll show you. Let me move the camera. There's the egg, and the ramen, and the vegetables. Now, to pour it into a bowl. Well, it is capped off to the top of it, but it looks pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with myself. Let me show you. Look at that. Well, I hope you enjoyed my version of cooking with Paola, seeing how I come up with these things. Yeah, have a great day, have a great quarantine.